In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT extension for writing Gmail emails. By the end, you'll have the ChatGPT writing assistant working right inside your Gmail Compose window, so you can draft, refine, and polish emails faster with helpful suggestions. Let's start by getting the extension set up. Head to the official ChatGPT extension page for your browser. Download it and complete the quick install. When your browser asks for permissions, review them and click to confirm so the extension can appear while you write. After it's installed, open the extension from your toolbar and log in to your ChatGPT account. If your browser shows a small puzzle icon, you can pin the extension so it's always visible. Logging in is important because it connects the extension to your account and unlocks features like tone control and rewrite options. If a brief onboarding or welcome screen appears, just follow it through once. When you're signed in and the icon looks active, you're ready to move on. Now, go to your Gmail. Open a new message or reply to an existing one and start typing as you normally would. As you write, you'll see ChatGPT suggestions appear right in the Compose area or in a small side panel, depending on your browser. These suggestions can help you brainstorm a first draft, clean up wording, or adjust the tone to match what you need, like professional, friendly, or concise. If you see a prompt field or a button such as improve, rewrite, or shorten, use it on the text you've written to instantly get a refined version. You can keep your subject line short and clear, then let the assistant help expand your body text. If the first suggestion isn't quite right, ask for another pass or tweak your prompt with a bit more detail, such as the goal of the email and who the recipient is. Remember to review every suggestion before sending to ensure accuracy. Keep your voice and remove anything you don't want to include. And that's it, really easy and simple. You downloaded the ChatGPT extension, logged in, and then opened Gmail to start writing with smart suggestions at your fingertips. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Give the assistant context for better results, like deadlines or desired tone. Keep sensitive details out of prompts, and use the settings within the extension to adjust defaults so the suggestions match your style. With this setup, you'll save time on routine emails, respond more clearly, and maintain a consistent, polished tone every day. Happy writing and enjoy your upgraded Gmail experience.